My new speaker just arrived today. I'm really excited about this one. I like to go down to the river, and this one's waterproof, and so that's why I was so interested. This is an unboxing. I have to show you how to get out of the box first. Here we go. It helps. And an unboxing means you're going to see exactly what I see. Actually, it's a little wet. It's been raining here, and Postmaster left it in the post box, and I was really glad that the inside package wasn't wet. Like I said, it is waterproof and it's wireless. And this is actually supposed to hold a 24-hour charge. And this is what you get in the box. This is not to test the sound. This is to show you exactly what you get when it arrives from Amazon. Okay, so pull this out. Oh man, this is cool. Look at that. I love the design on it. There's the brand name, Bugani. Wow, all right, so that, okay, there we go. I always look for the little manual here to tell us what to do. We're gonna check it out. Okay, so the first things we're gonna learn about this really cool speaker. I'm just gonna shift this sideways a little bit. I'm in my kitchen. And I didn't want to catch all the coats, but guess what? You're going to see my coats this morning. Okay, here's the manual here. And it says it's portable, waterproof, rugged, yes. High ML grid, crystal sound with deep bass. Hands-free for calls. Yay! All right. And what's included is the speaker, the user manual, and the micro charger. And so there should be 2 cables in here. Okay, there they are. Okay, had me worried. Okay, and one is supposed to be for the speakers and one is supposed to be to charge it. So there should be a USB cable in here. There we go. Okay, all right, obviously, take the tips off. Ta-da! This is your sound. The aux cable, and come here, buddy. This, let me move this again here. Okay, and this is going to be for, this end goes in your USB for your cable, and this goes in the speaker. And now this, I have an auxiliary one where I can plug it in my car, I can plug it in the wall, or I can plug it in my computer. So let's find out where the ports are. Oh, okay, here's the end that tells you, obviously some of these are gonna be self-explanatory. That's gonna turn it on and off. That's louder, that's quieter, that's moving it forward. Okay. Can you hear it? Okay, it's the quality of sound you're getting out nice and clear. Let's check the ports. All right, I have to find them first. It seems to me likely that it would be in here. No, okay. Not too bright. All righty. You can see it flashing because it's on. I could have, oh, there's a little, is that it? Now hang on, that's just gonna, okay, what that is little feet. Where are the ports to plug in the cords? Here we go. That's got to be it. Ta-da! All right, here we go. Got it. Like it when I get something right. Woohoo. So we're gonna take the USB one. We need the other end of it right here. Hang in there with me. There it is. This is going to go right into there. You can see that. And I'm going to plug it in. Ta-da! It's in. Okay. It just goes in there. And then this one is going to be your sound. And I'm just going to plug that in there. Awesome. Super simple, super easy. All right. Let's take this out. And what? Can you hear it? Cool. It's telling me I'm unplugging it. Yes. It's going to do it for this one. Here we go. This is what makes it waterproof, is this is going to come around here and plug in just like that. So it makes it completely waterproof. So I can go down to the river and have a good time. And that one I just plugged. It just told me it shut down. So I'm thinking that this is a really, really good purchase. I'm really happy with it. It's got the manual. It has the cords, and the manual you can see. You don't have to sit here and read till Sunday to get it. You're gonna get it right away. There you go, care and maintenance, limited warranty, what's included, technology specs. I love it. There's the lights. See, now if you had been more like what they wanted you to do is take it out, read this first. I like to just take it out and just see what I got. And that's where we found to plug it in and everything. Okay, well, I'm telling you, this, I like the weight of it. I like that it's really, isn't that beautiful? I love it. That's so cool. And grab this, throw this in my backpack, run down to the river, have a good time. That is awesome. And I do like that I have hands-free calling. And actually, once you charge this, it's supposed to be good for 24 hours. Can't beat that. Out of a 5 for reviewing, I'm gonna give it a 10. Love it. It's really, really good. Let me take this off of the stand and do a close-up in here so you can see it. That's what you've got. Love it.